They've told you this in school, but it's a lie. You've probably heard that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis. But here's the truth. Medical studies have found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. That popping sound is just gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid, not bones grinding or damage being done. In fact, people who crack their knuckles regularly are no more likely to develop arthritis than those who don't. So next time someone warns you, remember, the science says false. Your joints are safe from arthritis causing cracks.